This is part 2.
A man is on an airplane. He's reading a book and he has this strange shirt. How can you start a conversation? I notice that you are wearing a shirt with some words. What does your shirt say? Repeat. I notice that you are wearing a shirt with some words. What does your shirt say? And then you can say to the person, you have a clear American accent. Where were you born? Repeat. Where were you born? And what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? Now write 3 more questions and send them to SteveMFlorida@gmail.com.